Friends, welcome back. Today in this video we will know how you can create these kind of videos for free. For creating these videos you just have to upload the image of character that you want to see in the video. So without wasting a single bit of time, let's start our video. For creating this video you just have to open your browser, search wiggle.ai, click on very first link. Here click on try on web. Here you have to sign in with an email, so for that we will go to temp mail. For getting a temporary mail, so that we don't get any spam mail from that AI website, so we will log in with a temporary mail. Here click on sign up, paste it here, password, click on I am not robot, password sent. Here we got the verification code, paste it here. Now we will create a video. From here we will select a template. We will select this one. Now we will upload a character. I have already downloaded a character image, this one, Tony Stark's image, so I will upload this one. Upload in downloads, this one. Now click on create. Here it is generating the video with uploaded character. Wait for a while. Let's see what will be the output. Now we can download. First review it. Here you can see this is an amazing
do chocolate, brotou combate, do chocolate, de ladinho, metade, devagar, do jeito que eu gosto, ela é toda lindinha, foi convocada e brotou aqui na linha, piranha safada brotou.
You can download it from here.
De ladinho, metade, devagar, do jeito que eu gosto, ela é toda lindinha, foi convocada e brotou aqui na linha, piranha safada.
So if this video is helpful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you guys, thank you for watching.